The Adam LBX 30 Latitude Compact Bench Scale is a versatile, compact scale ideal for environments where portability, accuracy, and efficiency are essential. Designed by Adam Equipment, this model fits well in a variety of settings, including kitchens, manufacturing plants, retail spaces, and labs, thanks to its user-friendly design and durable construction. Latitude Compact Bench Scales deliver speed performance and exceptional value for industrial weighing, counting, and check weighing applications. Results are displayed in under 1.5 seconds, speeding up readings and processing time for production. Warehouse or field use full latitude models offer capacities from 3 kilograms to 30 kilograms and readabilities from 0.5 grams to 5 grams, weighing units GKG pound and other units depending on the model. Rechargeable battery with a long battery life and an AC adapter. Weighing Latitude's 3 colored LEDs show if the weight is over/under or within set limits. An audible alarm can be set to alert the user either if the item is within the limits or outside of the limits. Parts counting with the Latitude is fast and efficient using preset sample sizes. Simply weigh the sample and add parts to get a total count. The hold function retains the last weight on the display, so users can easily record results. Percentage weighing allows you to determine the weight of an item as a percentage of the reference weight. Latitude offers several power options. The Latitude runs on a rechargeable battery that offers 240 hours of operation. It can also be powered by the included adapter for greater portability. Stainless steel weighing pan for easy cleaning and durability. Sturdy ABS housing to withstand daily usage in busy environments. Compact build with an integrated handle for portability. Rechargeable battery for flexible, cordless use, alongside an AC adapter for plug-in operation. Clear backlit display with large digits for easy reading. Color-coded keys for quick operation, including tear and zero buttons for resetting and weighing containers. Suitable for various applications like check weighing, parts counting, and percentage weighing. Ideal for businesses needing quick, accurate measurements with minimal space requirements. Some models may offer options for connectivity or data tracking, such as RS-232 ports or optional USB connectivity. Latitude can be operated or charged with any USB power source, such as a portable battery pack or a car USB port. The sleek, compact design of Latitude includes a contoured weighing pan and adjustable feet. Cultured keys allow fast recognition of the most frequently used functions. To learn more about Latitude bench scales, visit Certified MTP.